I ended up tracking it down off a little bit of text on part of a wall mural I saw in the background in one of my videos. I am so freaking stoked to be back here. All right, this is the last, she's cute, but I don't really want to pay $13 for her. I've had kind of bad luck. That doesn't mean they don't sell well, it's just, I'm just nervous about it. A boy today, a man tomorrow. Cute. And Earl Bernard, Edward Mobley, both at 30. A little close. Coconut purse. One of my favorites. The Art of Flower Crochet. Oh my gosh, look at her dress. That's amazing. That's a really fun magazine. $10. That's really cool. Is this plastic? Yeah, it is. $8.95. Vintage bubble bath bottle. You know what? I kind of love this. It's chipped at the top. I'm not sure how to feel about that. I think it's kind of neat. Still, kind of want to get it for $9, honestly. I left my basket here, so I'll do it on the way to check out. Oh my gosh, look at this old photo. That's so fun. And yeah, I think I'm gonna get this little photo postcard. I just think it's neat. The darts, I love the graphic on that. Yeah, I think I'm gonna put these two things to the side. Just love it. Yeah, I'm getting those. Why not? All right, and the swizzle sticks with the whistles, so fun. Oh my gosh, and they've got the little pitchforks on the other side. And then this is a really interesting, the Hilton, and they got the little cocktail umbrellas. Oh, that's fun. I don't know how well that would do for me. I've bought and sold this in the past. It took a while. I love the suitcases and the wall plaques. What's this? Vintage yarn caddy wine tote, $15. Whoa. Do I want to mess with that? I could definitely make money off that, I feel like. I'm still pretty caught up on the box, but $30 is a lot for me to pay. These are, I didn't go through her cards yet. What is this? Wig with, oh my gosh, stop it. That's amazing. See, I would just get all this stuff if I lived here, but it's just a matter of lugging it across the country and then having to ship it once I get home. It's a two-parter. That looks like it might be a reprint. I'm not sure about that. Yeah, it kind of looks like a reprint. Could be mistaken though. I didn't finish going through these. I might just use both hands. That might make it easier for me now, wouldn't it? Well, nothing else there. Huh. The jewelry situation is out of control. $40. So after the discount, hair clips. I wonder if that constitutes as jewelry. I love this hair clip. That's fun. What about Willie? What about Willie? I kind of love Willie. What year is this? $1939? Well, there's only two online that I see, and they're both listed at $30. I don't see any in sold. I might take another look at that. I'm just looking at these again because I think these are so fun. I don't know what I'm gonna do with them, but they're so epic. I'm probably never gonna see them again. All right, now I need to go through her cards. Oh my gosh. So cute. This is gonna be a two-hand process for sure. Well, there were definitely some good ones, and I love the little poodle knotters at $10 each, but I'm just not as excited about them as the ones I picked up. Oh, that's fabulous. $10, so that's about probably close to what I'd get for it after fees. I'm gonna go finish up in these. Well, I didn't finish this side actually. These are nursery rhyme. Oh my gosh. All right, I'm gonna go through these now. So I did grab a few more things. I grabbed these 2 old new stock Roadrunner towels, and I picked up some really amazing embroideries here. I picked up Rain Go Away, Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, Lubby Locks, Barber Shave a Pig. Mary had a little lamb and this weird bunny thing. Now I'm also seeing this fabulous tray. It's got some wear though. Made in Japan, $4. Let me measure that. Oh, I love her. Oh, the old Dixie cups. I mean, I just want to buy everything. That's the thing. I can't. Not time. Energy, space, and money. I mean, I'm fronting a lot right now. These bagel sets are neat. And those are fabulous. New old stock rain caps. I can't believe I have a whatnot today. That was a bad call. I was thinking I could get another one in, get a little space in the car, but in hindsight, it was not my greatest attempt. Especially considering I don't even know what state I'm gonna be in at 7 o'clock. All right, now back to this booth. Did I go through these? No, I went through the other side. Oh gosh, I have to go through that. And it's so cute. Little tin toys. I'm still really into these, but I'm just nervous they're gonna get damaged because they're styrofoam and that thin plastic. It's a lot to pay for something that might end up not making the trip. Now, could I have probably gotten away with getting like all of them? Yeah, definitely. But I picked out some really special ones. Valentine's has always been kind of my thing, so I'm definitely gonna get these. Look at these are so fun. And this one, I've never seen that one. The zebra with the camera. Yeah, I think I just kind of have to get all of these. This one I'm probably keeping. It's 21 bucks right there. This is getting very, very expensive. All right, I'm about to call it. I got myself a really ridiculous card that I don't even want to show you because it's kind of provocative. But I also picked up these little miniature poodle pins for $2. Now, the last thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go through the bubblegum charms because I've been rocking these recently. And of course, while I was down here, I noticed this epic coaster set with the etched star for $5. I'll get those. I picked up this super neat little yellow whistle and this anchor, $3. I thought they might be fun. I might be getting a bit out there, but whatever, why not? Oh, and now I remember, I was gonna look at the, gosh, I'm never gonna leave. 10, I was gonna look at this poodle bottle one last time. I love the Wonder Woman. Yeah. It's a totally fair price. I feel like you could make it a vase, but I don't think that's gonna come out easy. Maybe if I stick my hand in there, hold on. No, I think I'm gonna pass. I've done enough, but as soon as I said that, I saw this thing of cake toppers. I thought I'd give it one last glance over. Very cute. I'm tired. It's 2-something. I've been here since 10, and I have whatnot at 7. And I was trying to leave Texas. Not because I don't love Texas, but because I do need to get home. I really miss my other half. But also, these are really interesting, and they're made in France for $3. I think I'm gonna grab them. They almost look like nipples. So I did go back to grab this tray, and I looked it up, and surprisingly, they don't sell for as much as I thought they did. So I don't know, man. I really want to grab it. I know I can make a couple bucks, but I'm kind of shopped out. And I really wanted to grab this too for 30 bucks, but it's a little high for me. I wouldn't be able to resell it, honestly, for much at that price. So I'm gonna move on. I have to remember, I'm like almost only halfway home. This is very cool. Well, if I wasn't hot, I'm hot now. I just spent $489 in there. Honestly, I had carved out about 500 bucks to spend there. I knew that was gonna happen. I'm not gonna linger around town though. I'm gonna start moving northeast. Because it's really bad in here. Now, of course, $20 of that was stuff for myself. I'll calculate it later. It's freaking hot here. I have no idea where I'm going. I have like 4.5 hours till my whatnot sale, which was a really bad idea, but maybe it will clear out a little space. So I will see you guys when I get to wherever it is I'm going.